What's up, guys? It's TNT Games back with a new video. This video I'm actually it's really informational, and I would suggest everybody use these apps as well as pay attention to the links I give you, because they'll let you start off quicker and earn more money. And second thing, make sure you use the links in the description. Instagram is very important, TNT Games on YouTube, and Discord is also important, so use those codes. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 apps, and I'll be doing a little reviews on them. The first one is called Making Money, and I've cashed out 3 times, $5 each, so I made $15 off this app in about 3 days. It's very good. This is probably my second favorite one. So you just download apps and you play the game until you're complete, and then you just turn in for points, and then you redeem your money. The second one is called Make Money 2021. It's basically the same thing, and I would say it's easier. I just haven't used it that much because I downloaded it second compared to the other one. But this one's probably even better because you can cash out for less points. So it's the same thing, but this one you do more surveys. Like, they have a lot of surveys, and surveys are actually quite good. So yeah, haven't cashed out on this one yet though, but it's really good. Next one is called Eureka. It's just surveys and daily polls, and this one is also a good one. I've cashed out twice on this one, $50 in total I've cashed out. Very good app. I suggest you guys go use it, and I'll also have a link for it in the description below. Second to last one is Zap Surveys. Zap Surveys is the best one out of all the survey apps. I cashed out once for $25, and I did that in about 5 days. So if you want to make some quick money, this is the way to go, and I'll show you different ways to cash out. Is right there, PayPal, Amazon. This one has actually the most options to cash out, and their check status, yeah, I cashed out right there, so there's proof. Last one is Sweatcoin, and this one is actually, it's going to take the longest, but it has the best rewards. $1,000 cash out you see there, and all you have to do is invite a couple people and have a bunch of Sweatcoins. So also follow me on the Sweatcoin app. I'll be leaving a link in the description below, where if you join the Sweatcoin app using my link, you will actually receive a free 5 Sweatcoins when you join. So make sure you guys do use that. And basically the app is all about walking. It's not like the other ones. It's you get paid to walk basically. So use all my codes. Thanks, guys.